Ancient spa ambiance. Relaxing water sounds for sleep, focus, and meditation. Let's see. I mean, I don't think I did have bad.
We pretty much take for granted that the things we wear, all these things come in colors.
What is up, YouTube? I am doing a vlog today, something a little bit different. Usually you see me doing my style stuff, my fashion stuff, but I wanted to show you my creative space, my sort of chill room where I do most of my work in. You've seen this room before in some of the videos that I've done in the past few months, and but I wanted to show you like the full scope of the whole room. I have it set up. I've been working on it for a few months now, and so I have it set up so that it's just a really chill, calm, creative space for me. And I thought I'd just show it to you while it's a work in progress. It's not finished, but I'm really proud of what I have so far, so I thought I would share that with you. So here's my chill lo-fi creative space room tour. First I want to show it with the lights on. I'm just going to give you like a quick scan, and then I'll show you with the lights off and how like the LED lights come into effect. But yeah, this is the room with the lights on, and next I'm going to show it with the lights off. Okay guys, so I'm going to start in this corner. Here's a quick scan of the room with the lights off. There you go. But yeah, let me start in this corner, give a little tour. First you can see that I have a stool here. That's actually a new piece. It is just like a movable stool so that I can kind of move around when I'm working. Especially when recording videos, and it is orange, it's velvet, super soft. I got it from Home Goods. Next to that is my plant, little palm I have here. It adds a really nice natural element to the room, nice vibes with it. I got an LED light going all across the top here. This shelf that you're looking at, this brown shelf, came with the house. It was already built in, and all I did was just basically clean it off, and we replaced some trimming and stuff, and yeah, I'm just utilizing it. It still needs a little bit more work, but it is perfect for holding decorations and supplies and books and stuff. So as you can see, I have a few books right here. I'm going to be adding some more. Down here is a little pass, Music Midtown pass from festival last year. We went and saw some of those artists. That was really fun. It's actually a really great bookmark too. This is a little plant. This one is not real, but it has a nice little zen element to it, which is a big inspiration for this room. And then over here I have a couple lighters for my candles. I have one candle over here, and next to that is a lovely amethyst rock. It has like a really pretty light purple color. And then I just have the remote controls for the LED lights over here. And that's it pretty much for this corner. Like I said, everything is a work in progress, so we're still working on it. But really love the lo-fi vibes over here. So we're going to move over a little bit. I've got a candle, a random mirror right here. This is actually a really good shoe mirror. And next to the candle is just a little salt lamp right here. Over here is just some decorative elements. I don't have a specific use over here yet, but yeah, just another candle, glowy candle. This right here is a shot glass that someone gave me. It's from Russia. See, it says St. Petersburg on it. Yeah, and a little vase, and another rock. This one is a quartz rock, actually. And it's really pretty. I like that it's like kind of cut out. And so it's like, you just kind of see like the interior part from the top. So that's really nice. And then at the top here, it's a pretty neon light that's just a moon. And that one is battery operated. So over here, I have my mirror. It's just a gold mirror. You can see outfits and stuff. Hello. And then we're gonna move to this area here. Now this beanbag, I like to use it when I meditate. It's really fluffy and soft, and that's another reason why I use this room is for meditation. So usually I meditate on this rug, and I'll put the beanbag on the rug, and that's why I got the rug, because it's just like the perfect size for that. And I like that it's blue, and it kind of feels like the ocean. A nice inspiration for this room was like the ocean meeting with the warmer colors of the sun. So, you know, you have the LED lights, you have this sofa over here that have like a modern feel to it, along with like my little table. But the candles and the rocks and stuff bring like a warmer element. So that's what I was thinking of. And in that, yeah, that too, it's also a meditation room. So I come in here to just chill out, clear my mind, and it's just perfect for that. So what you're looking at here is a blanket. This one is from Home Goods. It is super, super soft, and believe this is definitely faux fur, but it's so soft. I love it, and it's a nice contrast to the leather couch. I have, coming along the wall here, I have an LED light. It's kind of doing its own thing over there, but it glows along the wall behind the couch. So I really like the effect of that, as you can see. And I actually have another lamp up here, and that adds another light source in the room. I love this lamp because I can just control it with my phone. So I got my phone here, and if I want to just like change the color, it's like purplish now, I want to change it to green, and bam, I can change it to green. All with my phone. I could be in the next room and I could change the color before I even come in here. So it's yeah, it's just a smart bulb that's in there. And yeah, I really, really like being able to control it with my phone. And that's one of my favorite parts of the room for sure. And the edge of the sofa, nice pillow from Home Goods, matches with the blanket over here, super soft. And then next to that is a Rick and Morty poster. I think it adds a nice element of color and fun to the room. I absolutely love Rick and Morty. It's my favorite cartoon. And yeah, this poster is cool because it has like a nice psychedelic element. And then over here is just my camera that I film with in here. Right now I'm filming with this vlog with the G7X. It's more of a vlogging camera. This one is more of like a filming camera. It's my Canon, and it's on the tripod there. I got another candle lit. This is like a little mini candle on my table. That's my phone, and then my Amazon Echo right there for playing music and stuff. So that is mostly it. Like I said, it is not finished, but I'm really happy with how it's coming along. I like mixing the modern elements with some more natural stuff, with the candles and the rocks, and it just gives me a real zenned out, comfortable, chill feeling when I come in here, and it's perfect for me. I want to add stuff, and what I'll do is once I finish up the room or get to finishing it up, then I will definitely do a room update for you guys. But I hope you guys love this room. Hopefully it can give you some inspiration. I don't know, but I'm very grateful that I have somewhere where I can work on creative stuff with. just chill in here and really get into my zone. And I'm an introvert, so this is perfect for me. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.